Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2022 and is related to the topic species. In this question, we are going to see the nitrogen fixing plants because nitrogen fixation is one of the important aspects as far as agriculture is related and as far as fertility of the soil is related. So, some plants can fix nitrogen in the initial stage of nitrogen cycle with the help of bacteria present in their root nodules. These plants are known as leguminous plants. And the bacteria like Rhizobium and Azotobacter can help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Now what they do is they convert this atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, and hence the fertility of the soil increases with the increase in amount of nitrogen in the soil. These are the natural process through which nitrogen can be added in the soil. Other human processes are applying fertilizer, that is urea, or through industrial waste as well, nitrogen can be added. So basically in nitrogen fixation, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia and is added into the soil, because of which the fertility of the soil increases. Now if we see these plants, some of them are nitrogen fixing plants, whereas rest are not. If we see alfalfa, alfalfa is basically perennial flowering leguminous plant and is known for fixing the highest amount of nitrogen. So this is one of the best nitrogen fixing plant. As far as amaranth is concerned, this is also known as Rajgira. And this is basically used for different purposes like leafy vegetable or ornamental purpose, like they are grown in garden, or as pseudo cereals. So amaranth is not a leguminous plant, hence it cannot fix nitrogen. Second is incorrect. As far as chickpea and clover is concerned, they are both leguminous plant. Chickpea is a common pulse in India as well, and this clover is found in mostly in North American belt, also in South American belt, and in some parts of Africa clover can be found. So both are leguminous plant, hence they help in nitrogen fixation. As far as purslane is concerned, which is also known as kulpa, this is also a flowering plant but not a leguminous plant. Flowering plant, leafy perennial plant but not leguminous, hence it is used for consuming as vegetable but it cannot fix nitrogen. Same is the case with spinach as well. Spinach is also used as leafy vegetable, but it does not fix nitrogen. So if we have to see nitrogen fixing plant, then one most important factor as far as nitrogen fixing plant is concerned, then their root should be leguminous containing bacteria that can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. So bacteria like rhizobium and azotobacter can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. They can convert it into ammonia, and because of increased proportion of nitrogen in the soil, the fertility of the soil increases. If the soil is fertile enough, we need not have to put extra fertilizers into it. But if the soil is deficient in nitrogen, then we have to put urea into it. As far as Indian soil is concerned, the highest amount of fertilizer which is put into Indian soil is urea, and urea contains, the formula for urea is NH2CONH2. So urea increases the amount of nitrogen in the soil, which helps in agriculture or increasing the fertility of the soil. So the answer for this question will be 1, 3 and 4, as they are nitrogen fixing plants. Thank you.